What is good, fashion people? It's your curly haired brown boy, and I am back at it again with another great video for you guys. So I'm Prince, for those of you who don't know, and well, I hope that you're ready for some more of that good fashion knowledge, because today we will be talking about gathers. So guys, this is a continuation of my working detail series. If you haven't checked that out, I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll leave a card like somewhere right here. So I got the young setup ready right here. I got Kiara wearing a gathered skirt. So last night I went and I gathered, and I think it came out pretty good. It's looking really good, right? And so everything that you'll need today to follow along in this video is, well, a ruler, thread picker, fabric marker, some fabric, and just your sewing machine. So that's everything you'll need, guys. Well, let's get started, right? So guys, to get started, I have my square piece of calico fabric right here. And now we're gonna mark half a centimeter from the top of the fabric just under on both sides. And then we're gonna mark a centimeter under those markings as well, just like this. And these are gonna be our guidelines so that we can do a straight stitch connecting these dots. So let's go to the sewing machine and do just that. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that pull our thread really long, because we're gonna need that long thread to make our gathers. Second thing we're gonna do is that we need to change our stitch length. So you can see here my stitch length is on a 3. I'm gonna change it to a 4. So you can put it on the longest stitch length that your sewing machine has. And now what we're gonna do is I'm just simply going to do a straight stitch from my first top marking all the way down. Okay. And now what you want to do is also make sure that you have enough thread excess on the other side as well. I'm just gonna cut that. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom stitch and follow the same steps.
Another one.
So guys, as you can see here, I've done my stitching. How would I, the second row stitching, it isn't too straight, but that's okay. Let's just continue. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our threads on the side, right? On one side, we're gonna go ahead and just tie all the threads. We're gonna gather all the threads and just tie all of them one time. I'm gonna do that. Okay. And now on the other side, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to separate our top thread and our bottom thread, which is our needle thread, which is our top thread, and our bobbin thread, which is our bottom thread. And we're gonna go ahead and tie our needle thread together. Okay. And now our bobbin thread, we're gonna use this to actually create our gathers. And so now, to create the gathers, what we're basically gonna do is we're gonna pull on our bobbin thread. We're gonna pull. Let me do like this so you guys can see. We're gonna pull, and as you can see, just like that, the gathers are starting to form. And we're just gonna keep pulling and shifting the fabric and shifting the gathers down the thread. Guys, it's important to use a strong thread, because if you use a really weak thread, then the thread is probably gonna break while you're busy doing your gathering. And now, the reason why we actually use 2 threads while doing the gathering is because our second thread acts as like a contingency. If our first thread breaks, then we'd lose all the gathers. But because we have our second thread there, it helps make sure that we keep them. And it also helps make our gathers more clean. So I'm just gonna continue gathering this. And guys, try and gather it and get them quite gathered up nicely. Okay guys, as you can see, I've done the gathers. I finished it up. I used my bobbin thread and I pulled. I've created these quite nice and evenly. Make sure that you use your fingers to evenly distribute the gathers so that they look really nice. And as you can see right here, the gathers are looking pretty good, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and we're gonna do a top stitch in between our first and our second stitch. Right in between those two, we're gonna stitch to hold our gathers in place. So I'm gonna go to the machine and just do exactly that. So guys, I've done the gathers, I finished tied up. I'm just gonna cut off some of the extra threads that are here. Okay, so just like that, look at this. It is actually looking so good, guys. I think it's looking pretty fresh, right? I tried my best to take the gathers and do them evenly, distribute them nice and evenly. And I think this was successful, guys. So I hope you learned something new, and if you like this video, then drop this video a like, guys. Please do remember, I do make weekly videos, and my next video is going to be a great video. I'm going to continue on the working detail series. I'm going to be doing ruffles, so if you want to learn that, definitely keep a lookout. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit those notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.